Hi everyone, it's Phineas and welcome back to Coding Club. Today's episode 9 and we are going to be doing if statements and random numbers. So the prompt states, generate a random number from 1 to 10 and depending on the number generated, print out the text version of it. For example, if your random number is 3, 3 in caps would be outputted. So let's start this off. So what did I just do here? Okay, we are going to first input our, we're going to be importing our random number thing. So it's going to be random generator equals new random. And this allows us to use the random generating methods. And then we're going to create an integer called random number. And we're going to say random number is equal to generator.nextInt 10 plus 1. So what this basically does, generator.nextInt is just a way of saying print a number from 0 to 9 randomly. I want it to be as random as possible. Don't use any input or anything. And then you add a 1. So 0 to 9 is what this does. And then when you add a 1, it becomes 1 to 10. And we need it to be 1 to 10 because we're not using 0. We're not having 0 in this program and we want to add 10 here. And then this looks really long, but it's totally fine. It's just a whole bunch of these things called if statements. So if statements basically, if this is satisfied, then do this. So basically, if random number is satisfied and it is satisfied to be 1, then it prints out 1. And if it is satisfied as 2, then print 2, and then so on and so forth all the way up to 10. So let's run this and see what happens. So if I run it, I am going to get, it's going to print out 7 as the number because generator on next would probably print out 6. Sorry, it probably generate 6 and then you add a 1 so it becomes 7. And then it prints out 7 here. And then else if random number is equal to 7, then print out 7. And it works for all of these. So then 8, 8, 6, 6, 1, 1. And it just works like this. And it is going to keep on doing this for as long as humanity exists. So you can just keep on running that. And if you want to, you can even do a loop and all of that. But we have not gone through loops yet. We're going to be doing loops in the next lesson. So I hope to see you all there. But thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!